One simple video idea, 22 million views, and creators are making thousands every single month. And almost nobody's talking about it. You've seen them, animals running obstacle courses, playing tug of war, even swimming races. It's fun, it's fast, it's the Animal Olympics trend. One TikTok page got over 5 million views with these videos. On YouTube Shorts, one single video pulled in 22 million views. And here's the crazy part, this is a brand new niche. It's not oversaturated, which means if you get in now, you could turn your phone into a money machine using TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an Animal Olympics video. Not just one style, but multiple. The kind of content that keeps people watching and sharing. Because once you understand the formula, you can rinse and repeat it across different platforms. This isn't theory. I'll walk you through the exact steps you can use, starting today, even if you've never made a viral video before. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I've got one secret tip that can instantly 10x your chances of going viral. Most people never figure this out, but you will. If you're excited to try this out, hit that like button. It helps this video reach more creators just like you. And subscribe if you want more ideas that can grow your channel fast. Now let me show you exactly how to create one of these videos.
Before we get started, let me tell you something that could literally save your content career. It's called Nexus Clip, and it's a total game changer. If you're tired of creating long videos that no one watches, this tool will blow your mind. You upload one long video, and it automatically cuts out the boring parts. It finds the best moments, adds subtitles with one click, and boom, your viral short is ready. But wait, it gets better. You don't even have to open TikTok or YouTube. Just hit share, and Nexus Clip will auto-create your title, description, and category. It's like having an entire editing team in your pocket. Link in description, check it out. You can keep editing for hours, ready to let AI do it in seconds. What would you do with all that saved time?
Okay, so you want to make your own Animal Olympics video that can go viral? Here's exactly how to do it step by step. First, go to ChatGPT. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel. Click on Explore GPTs. Now in the search bar, type Animal Olympics or Animal Diving. You'll find a special GPT made just for this trend. Click on it. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt asking you to choose an animal. It can be anything, dog, zebra, elephant, penguin, whatever you want. Just type the animal name and hit enter. Now ChatGPT will ask you what kind of Olympic action you want. Maybe the animal is diving into a pool from 10 meters, 20 meters, or even 40 meters. Type your choice. I usually go with something fun like 20-meter dive. Next, it will ask you to choose a video format. If you're making a YouTube short or a TikTok video, choose 9:16. That's the vertical format perfect for mobile. I type in 16:9 here. Then, ChatGPT will show you a cool layout, like a story or description of what your video will look like. After that, it will ask, "Do you want an image based on this?" Just type yes and hit generate. And boom, ChatGPT will create an image of your animal doing that Olympic action. Once the image is ready, just click the download button, save it to your computer. And just like that, you've got your first frame for an Animal Olympics video. Alright, now that you have your Animal Olympics image from ChatGPT, it's time to turn it into a viral cinematic video. And we're going to do it using one of the most powerful AI video tools I've seen, heyluo.ai. First, go to heyluo.ai and sign up. It's free. Once you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now here's where the magic happens. There's a new feature called Agent. Click on the Agent section and you'll see a bunch of ready-made video templates. You'll find templates for all kinds of Olympic-style actions, like animals jumping into water, doing flips, diving off platforms. It's wild. Look for something like Olympic jumping or animal diving. Let's pick the gorilla template. It shows the gorilla jumping into water like an Olympic pro. Now click Try It. You'll now see an interface where you can upload your animal image, the one we generated with ChatGPT earlier. Upload it, and then click the arrow button to continue. Now watch what happens. heyluo's agent will analyze your image and turn it into a full cinematic-style video, complete with motion, effects, and sound. Yes, sound effects are automatically added, and it looks insanely good. As you can see, our video is ready. It looks amazing. You've got action, movement, water splashes, and it all took less than a minute. And the best part? You can download the video without any watermark. Just click the download button and you're done. Want to make more Animal Olympics videos like the one we just did? You absolutely can, and here's how to take it even further. Inside heyluo.ai, there are lots of agents, each with their own video templates. Just like before, you can upload any animal image, dog, elephant, cat, kangaroo, whatever you want. Click on a template you like, upload your image, and hit the arrow button to begin. Luo will automatically position your image, animate it, and turn it into a cinematic-style video. You only need one image. The AI handles everything else, from movement to music to water effects. You can repeat this process to create multiple Animal Olympics videos using different animals and templates. Now let's turn those short clips into one awesome long-form video. Open CapCut and click Import. Drag all your short videos into the timeline. Here you can reorder the clips, add transitions, use text overlays, and even do basic color grading. Just play around with it until your video looks and feels great. Once you're happy, click the Export button and wait a few seconds. Let's preview the final result. Looks cool, right? I've added the link to HiLuo.ai, ChatGPT, all in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe,